Hip hang is my favorite inversion. It's a full decompression of the spine and it really reduces my back pain. So here's a little tutorial on how to get in and how to get out. So first you have to have the hammock at your hip height. You're gonna press it below your hip bones, bring your shoulders through, then extend that right leg back to reach your right hand forward. At this time, you can now bring your left leg up into the air so then you can reach that left hand down. If at any time you need to adjust, if it's sliding up, then press the hammock down lower onto the leg by one hand at a time. Once you have it in the correct place, bend the knees to 90 degrees, bend the elbows and hinge over and just hang. You can soften here and just relax, staying for up to 1 minute, or some people even go up to 2 minutes. From the hip hang, if you want to exit, press into the hands so then you can bring your toes back down to the mat, walk your feet to the center, walk your hands to the center, bend your knees and slowly round and roll on up. This should feel really good. Enjoy.